Hi, my name is Wahid. I'm a co-founder at Gigintake. At Gigintake, we help manufacturing companies attract and manage a flexible talent pool. We do this by creating a foundation of skills and use the best of the technology to help factories find and manage people who do not want to work full-time but are happy to pick and choose shifts the way they like. Think of us as Uber for manufacturing. My experience at the American Manufacturing Summit was fantastic. This was a great conference with some really good thought leaders from great companies participating here. We had a lot of great sessions, and a lot of people visited us. They had intention of buying, investing in technology. So it was a great show overall.